Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wishful Account, chapter 28. So here it is. Let's read the story. Now, Sinyu and Chui. Sinyu said to her, "Why are you telling me this? Suddenly, what if it is recorded and broadcast? I just don't have any friends to talk about this kind of thing. I should have thought of this. Now, it makes sense. It seems that this is the news that you saw yesterday afternoon. Otherwise, you can go back now. It's not a big problem. Grandpa has been hiding it from me. If I go back hurry now, it will be make him uneasy. But I really won't participate in the next activities. I want to go back early. Don't blame yourself. Grandpa will definitely be happy to see you, how capable you are." Senius said truly. It's the truth that, but I'm worried that if I'm too capable and Grandpa doesn't have anything to worry about, then, just like this time, I had only been in office for a few months and the doctor, well, it really makes sense. She has a right to get worried about her grandfather. "Dear teachers, are your microphones broken? I can receive any sound. Now the director are coming through them. It seems that they plan really well and now it's really working. Sorry, I have a few private message. I'm opening it now. It's okay. We've already taken enough photos of the sunrise. I'm here to tell all of the teachers that you can go back now. Chui, do you want to leave now or take a break? I want to leave now, Chui said to her. Chelsea found a new secretary for me and she's on the way. Well, it seems that everything seems to be fed off. Chelsea found a new secretary for me and she's on the way. So it seems that she have now a reliable person that she can able to work freely, but moreover, someone could gonna take care of everything for her. Hello, Mr. Shan, your car has arrived. So right now, she should really go, but also she seems to be worried too much about her grandfather. The car to pick you up has arrived. Well, Chia said. She knew it. Now she is going to leave first. Well, Sinyu, she must really sad about this, right? Now she don't have any partner. But then, I'll leave first. Chia said to Sinyu. Go ahead, it's going to be fine. Sinyu, she was trying to comfort her. Chuya said, well, finally, she was going to leave on that show. Shanshong, the driver, was calling Chewie, but where's the secretary right now? It seems that he is still not visible. Now, it really makes sense, right? Please, give me the luggage, the driver said to her. Sorry to trouble you, Chui said to him. Well, at least, Chui, she seems to be calming down. Now, she entered on the car and she closed it. The exhibition is always good. A video conference has been scheduled for you in an half an hour. Her new secretary said to her, but it seems that she is not getting rattled about this. The car tablet has been adjusted. You can start directly later. Well, her secretary said to her, it seems that this person, right now, he's a good man. Now, everything seems to be quiet, but Chui said, you're the new secretary. What is your name? So it seems that she really wanted to know this person. Could it be that there's some feelings? The new secretary said to her, well, my surname is Tang. Just call me Xiao Tang, Mr. Shan. The secretary seems to be great, but also she was really confident on herself. But Chewy, at this moment, this girl voice is hoarse and sounds familiar. What is your full name? Chewy, she kept asking the new secretary about this. Now we can see that she already calmed down. Long time no see. I see you again. So this girl, name, thanks one, and look at her. It seems to be she was going to tease her so much. She looks really beautiful on that arrangement. Now, makes sense. Chuyi, she got really surprised about this and said, Tangwan, my new secretary turns out to be you. Now, she seems to be getting rattled about this. You, let's not reminiscence about the fast for now and drive to the Singyun, Chuyi said to them. So it seems that Chuyi, she don't have any mood to talk about her and also she was focusing herself on the things that she really wanted to do. Now, look at it. The girl, Tang's one, she was silent roughly. She was thinking something but also she got really surprised about the reactions of Chuyi to herself. Now, all she can say is, okay, Mr. Shan. Well, the car, it seems to be getting quiet. Also, there's no one speaking. Now, makes sense. Why did you choose her when you could hire anyone else? So it seems that she was hesitating if this girl can really help her or it's only a disturbance for them. Chelsea, forget about your phonus. This month, it seems that she was really getting angry about this. Well, let's see what's gonna happen if really can cook like that. Now, it seems that it's getting late, but also she keeps stirring on her phone. This girl, she should really need to take rest. And also about her brothers and sisters. It seems that they're really getting crazy every day. There's so many enemy floods, and it's fun to watch them all on one go. Not bad, you are very good at it. Chui, she's been praising Sinyu, so it seems that at this moment, she already calmed down. Sinyu, here, suspected to come out publicly. It is the new unedited clip release just to attract attention and mislead the audience. Well, someone said that it was a low-class move. This must be a deliberate revenge by the business rival vying my vlog trending searches. Well, I'm going to complain to Yuyu. It seems that she already calmed down. Well, let's hope that everything will be fine on her. But Sinius said, aren't you? Too much. How can you say that to me? You don't love me anymore. Chiyu, she looks really cute. Now, makes sense. Chui, it seems that she got the need to answer this question. Well, the secretary was asking her, are you in love? Well, probably she don't want to answer this. The secretary doesn't need to know about this issue. Chui said to her, well, it seems that she don't want to tell her private affairs. Also, right now, she was avoiding too much questions like that. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want the support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!